Hey there, I'm going to go over how to roll our biceps using a foam roller. There are some other better impactful ways that I've made other videos using a barbell for, but this is a good substitute if you don't have a barbell at your disposal. So, big thing with the bicep is that the bicep flexes and extends, or it flexes our elbow. And we have two heads, a short head when we have a supinated grip, or a long head when we're neutral or pronated. Okay, so those two pieces can become important as we roll through here. So to roll using a roller, I'm going to start at the edge of my shoulder, roll down to the elbow, and then scan through as we go. So start at the shoulder, roll to the elbow, and again scan through. You can see that right away I'm going through that supination and pronation with the forearm as we go. When we find a good hot spot or an adhesion, we press and hold, wait for it to relax a little bit. Okay, it's really easy to add some friction through here, so just gentle movements up and down across the muscle fibers. Okay, when we're in an elevated position using a bar, we're able to bend our elbow more effectively. Here you'd actually have to internally rotate and then try and do it, but you'll lose most of that muscle. So you can get some of the same issues resolved on the ground here, but it's better in a standing position on a barbell or an elevated surface that you can do that with. Good luck, have fun, let me know if you have any questions.